everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete Facebook account on website. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Safari application. So once you open Safari, make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account from the website. So here I'm already logged into my account. So here on the top right corner, you can see the little profile icon. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Go ahead and tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now go ahead and tap on the account center, see more. Now go ahead and tap on personal details. Now here you get many options, which is contact info, birthday, identity confirmation, and account ownership and control. So what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on account ownership and control. Now here is the option available, which is memorization and deactivation or deletion. Simply go ahead and tap on deactivation or deletion. Now here you can choose the account, whether you want to delete your Facebook account or Instagram account if you are connected to Instagram. So simply go ahead and tap on Facebook. Now tap on delete account if you want to delete your account, and if you want to deactivate your account, you can simply tap on deactivate account and continue it. Now here it will also delete your page if you have added a Facebook page to your profile. So you can just tap on continue. Deleting your account means it will also delete all the data and information related to your Facebook, so the page will be also deleted. You can simply tap on continue. Now type down your password and continue it. Doing so will successfully help you delete your Facebook account and website successfully. And if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.